Simplify the following by collecting like terms. So in this first example, I have x's, and remember, circle them with the sign in front because this tells us we're adding 5x. And we have y. So 3x, add 5 more x's. So if we have 3 of something and we have 5 more, altogether we've got 8. So that's 8 x's. Then I've got 8 y's, and I take away 3 y's from that. So if you've got 8 of something and you take 3 of them away, you're left with 5 of them. So that's add 5y. So in the next one, we've got x squared, but that x squared doesn't pair up with anything. Remember, an x squared is different to an x. They're not like terms. You can't put them together. We then have some x's. And finally, we've got just a number, and that's different again. So there's nothing to pair up with that 3x squared, so it's just going to go unchanged. 3x add 5x is 8x. And there's nothing to pair up with the number, so that's just going to go through unchanged as well. Now let's have a look over here. So I've got some x squareds. I've got an xy there plus 8xy. Now yx just means y times x. That's the same as x times y. So that one does pair up. And nothing at all pairs up with the number. Now 3x squared take away 3x squared. Well, that's no x squareds. So we just don't write them down. We don't write 0x squareds. 8xy take away 2xy is 6xy. And I'm writing it that way rather than yx because that's better algebra. They're in alphabetical order. And then there's nothing to pair up with the number.